We are pleased to show you the 2014 XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious, high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-size luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, front-wheel drive, HID headlights, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, mini spare tire, air suspension, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.